Yes, please.
Look what he sent me. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, look away. I'm taking a video.
Yeah.
Can't even feel it, which is very
We already
odd.
see it. Oh. Stop, just press. Yeah. Oh, good Lord. That's disgusting.
Oh shit! It's brown.
Oh, I'm gonna puke.
Don't puke.
Here. Oh, Lord, just push with the tissues gently, very gently. Oh my God, that is like disgusting. Does it smell?
Not really.
Holy God. Desgraciado. Oh, at least it's coming out. You don't need that anymore.
Yeah, it'll make me less sore.
Yeah. Push from underneath a little bit too. Top and bottom. Want more tissue? Yeah, look at the difference in your skin color already changed. It doesn't look so angry anymore, you know? Make sure you get it. Oh, sorry about the sound effects.
It's kind of therapeutic.
Oh, good Lord, have mercy. Disgusting. Oh. But I'm standing here watching.
Yeah, because it's like a morbid curiosity.
It is, and I have such a morbid curiosity, it's not even funny. Oh my God.
Well, you have to think this was a drainless surgery, so
Yes,
this may be a little bit of fluids.
And there's still more pus in there.
Well, I trust my body to expel it.
Yeah, I know. It already looks better though.
Mm-hmm. And feels less... Because there's less pressure.
There's still pus in there.
I see it.
I'm gonna be like the sound effect queen.
Well, there's... It does...
At least it's bleeding. Once you see the blood.
Yeah, it's usually clean.
Yeah. Wow, that was demented.
Wow.
Wow.
At least I got to see this one happen.
That was crazy. That's like